Hello students, in this session I am explaining you about RDBMS. RDBMS is a relational database management system, and before going to understand RDBMS you should know some of the important terms like data, information, metadata, database, DBMS, and later we have to know about RDBMS. First one is data. So data is a raw collection of facts about people, places, objects and events. So here data is raw facts. We are going to enter the raw facts. We are going to consider the raw facts into the computer. They are about people, places, objects and events. And we can get a doubt that what it includes. So it includes actually text, numbers, graphics, images, sounds. Data is not only in the form of alphabets or any numerals, it may be in the form of text, numbers, graphics, images, sounds also, but that have a particular meaning in the user's environment. Okay, and the second one is information. You know, every data should be processed in a computer. So the after processing the data, it produces information, so that it is treated as processed data. And third one, metadata. It is something different from data. Data is simply a fact about people, places, things, but metadata describes the properties or characteristics of another data. So I'll explain you this with an example. You can easily understand. Here I have given the data Jyoti 33, 80, 90, 75. It is simply a data, a fact about a particular person, but we cannot clear that 33 is a age of Jyoti or any marks of Jyoti or any rule number. Here no clarity is there, no. So that when we want the clear description of the data, we use metadata. Metadata describes the cleared information of data. Here it is Ravi data is there, Jyoti data is there, but what type of it is here not mentioned in the data. But when it is mentioned, what it is name and which type, varchar 2. So when clear information is given is called as metadata. And here also 33, it is clear now because here mentioned in the metadata, it's a rule number, it's a type of number. 80 is marks, type of number. 90 is marks, type of number. Like when it clearly explains about the data is called metadata. So that simply we can call it as data about data. This is about metadata. Got it? And next one, what is a database? Database is an organized collection of interrelated data. When a data are maintaining interrelated, which is maintaining the same properties, is called as interrelated. You can take an example of student. If you take student, so many students will be there having same properties, like every student maintains rule numbers, student name, father's name, date of birth, marks. So these properties are common for so many students, so that all these data are called as interrelated data, will be maintained in a form of database. And it has several database elements, like will maintain in the form of tables, queries, procedures, etc. And this is the notation, representation of database. This diagram you have to remember. This is about database. Simply you remember interrelated data is called as database. And DBMS, it is a software to maintain the databases. Here only the definition, database management system, which manages all the databases of a computer, and it is a set of database and application programs. Both will be there, both combination, databases and application programs. Database, already I told you, database is an organized collection of interrelated data. Application programs are the, you can easily identify the programming languages like C, C++, that type of programs are application programs. When these both are combined into the concept, is called as DBMS. And why we use this software? To create, maintain and access the databases. So whatever the databases we consider here, those will be maintained with a software DBMS. And finally RDBMS. And before going to RDBMS, here is a database system. Database system is a set of database, DBMS, hardware and people. Simply you can remember that who are the participants of database system. Who should be there? So that to clear off that one, database should be there. To maintain the database software DBMS should be there. To maintain all hardware, tangible parts of a computer should be there, and the people to operate it. So these all are the major components of a database system. And finally, after learning all these, we can understand what is RDBMS. Here is the same example of same definition of DBMS. How DBMS is going to create, maintain, access the databases. Here also the same, but small difference is R. This R stands for relational. Here we are going to manage the database management system of relational databases. Okay, it is also a software system used to maintain relational databases. Then you can ask a question that what is a relational database? Relational database is nothing but which maintains the data in the form of table. So like this you have to understand the concept. First, data, information, metadata, and what is the database, and which software maintains the database, and what is the difference between DBMS and RDBMS. Thank you.